Today I'll be using Fresh Express salads to make walking tacos for my game day party.
Really excited to take the Mexican chop salad and roll it into a tailgate item.
For game day, I decided to use the Butter Supreme Fresh Express salad kit to top my pizzas. I also decided to use the Bacon Caesar salad kit to make a chicken Caesar charcuterie board.
For me, game day means burgers and steaks. I use the bagged Fresh Express salad as the topping for the burgers. I just pop open the bag, it goes right on the side, and it is good to go.